Let's continue exercise 5C from question number 26. Question number 26. Let's copy the question. 9a square minus a square minus 4 the whole square. Now I had told you that the question should be in the form of a bracket the whole square minus second bracket the whole square. Okay, so you must have two brackets with the square on their top and a minus sign in between. So in my question, you can see second bracket, second term is already a bracket with the square. Already a bracket with the square. Okay. This first term is 9a square. This 9a square can also be written as 3a the whole square. 9 किसका square है? 3 का. A square is a. So 3a the whole square minus second bracket. Don't do anything. Keep it as it is. Keep it as it is in the second bracket. Okay. Now you have two brackets. First bracket square minus second bracket square. Okay. So add both the brackets. Subtract both the brackets. Okay. Open the bracket here. So minus a square plus 4. Okay. Now the sum is not over yet. Why? Because we have to rearrange these terms. Okay. Rearrange these terms. Rearrange मतलब पहले a square, then 3a, then minus 4. Okay. Second, minus a square plus 3a plus 4. I've arranged them. Why I arranged them? Because they are in a stand of, they are in the form of a normal equation. See, देखो ये एक equation के form में है a square plus 3a minus 4. So is it possible to split the middle term? See here. Is it possible to split the middle term here? First equation. A square plus 3a minus 4. Middle term split karna means this is the product. This is the product and this is the sum plus 3. ठीक है. Product चाहिए 4 minus 4. So minus 4 कैसे मिलेगा? 4 1s are 4. Correct. And I want plus 3 as the sum. Plus 3 sum कैसे मिलेगा? Plus 4 and minus 1. Correct. Plus 4 and minus 4 minus 1 3 होगा and 4 into minus 1 minus 4 होगा. So it is satisfying. The factors are satisfying. So I will have to split them. तो ये होगा plus 4a minus 1a minus 4. Now same thing I will try here also for the second equation. ठीक है. Second equation में sum क्या है? Sum is plus 3a. Sum is plus 3a. Okay. और product क्या होगा second equation के लिए? Can anyone tell me what will be the product for the second equation?
So minus 4.
Correct. The product for the second equation will be ये plus 4 है यहाँ पे. ठीक है. But you know that whatever number is there here gets multiplied with the last term. Whatever number is there here. ठीक है. जैसे यहाँ पे number नहीं है मतलब ये sign है minus. So this minus sign will multiply with plus 4. This minus sign जो भी है कुछ नंबर नहीं है मतलब नंबर 1 होता है. ठीक है. तो ये -1 है. ये -1 4 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो यू विल गेट -4 और आपको -4 के फैक्टर सोचने होंगे. यू विल हैव टू थिंक द फैक्टर्स ऑफ -4. ठीक है. और बीच में क्या चाहिए? +3 चाहिए. तो ये सेम ही हो गया। सी यहाँ पे हमने -4 के ही फैक्टर्स ढूंढे थे फॉर +3, तो सेम ही फैक्टर्स यहाँ पे भी काम आएंगे। +4a -1a +4. So here let's take common. So a will come common, a +4, and -1 will come common, a +4. कुछ नहीं कॉमन होता, मतलब 1 कॉमन होता है, ठीक है। एंड whenever you take the minus sign common, you change the second sign. Okay. Now here what can I take common? Here I can take a common. तो क्या बचेगा? -a +4. ओके, एंड यहाँ से क्या कॉमन आ रहा है? फ्रॉम हियर दिस इज ऑलरेडी -a +4, ये ऑलरेडी -a +4 है, तो कुछ भी कॉमन मत लो। और अगर आपको चाहिए तो यू कैन टेक द माइनस साइन ऑल्सो कॉमन, ठीक है। आप फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट में भी माइनस साइन कॉमन लेते हैं, सेकंड ब्रैकेट में भी माइनस साइन कॉमन लेते हैं, वो भी चलता था, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू, बट दिस इज करेक्ट क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमें सेम मिल रहा है, ठीक है। सी यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी, सी फर्स्ट जब आपने इन दोनों में से कॉमन लिया तो यू गॉट इन द ब्रैकेट -a +4, ओके। एंड यहाँ पे सेकंड में ऑलरेडी -a +4 है, तो इसको एज इट इज लिख दिया -a +4, एंड कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं लेना, मतलब 1 ले लेना बाहर, ठीक है। So this is done. Now I will write it like this: a +4, a -1. Second bracket में it is -a +4 and a +1. अब इस -a +4 को you write it as 4 - a. जो पॉजिटिव टर्म है, write it first. This is your answer. These 4 brackets are my answer. Next. See, now this question here: x square plus 1 upon x square. Now we have done expansions. We have done the expansion chapter. Tell me a formula where you find x square plus 1 upon x square. कौन से फॉर्मूला में ये दिखता है x square plus 1 upon x square? Can anyone tell me?
Sir, x plus 1 upon x the whole square.
x plus 1 upon x की whole square, ठीक है. Any other formula? Yes, यानी ये ऐसा फॉर्मूला बनता है x plus 1 upon x की whole square का. हेलो,
हेलो,
Yes, yes.
फॉर्मूला बनता है
Only this. Any other formula?
सर। x minus 1 upon x is equal to x square minus 1 upon x square minus 2.
No, no, no. X square plus 1 upon x square minus 2.
Minus 2.
ये स्क्वायर वाले टर्म्स हमेशा प्लस रहते हैं. ओके, सो मुझे ये दोनों फॉर्मूलाज पता है. ठीक है. ओके, अब यहाँ पे आई हैव एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर, बट इस पे यहाँ पे +2 या -2 नहीं है मेरे पास. +2 या -2 अगर होता तो मैं इसको रिप्लेस करके ये लिख देता. करेक्ट. ऐसा ही करते ना हम, जो बड़ा फॉर्मूला होता है उसको रिप्लेस करके लिख देते हैं a + b द होल स्क्वायर या a - b द होल स्क्वायर. करेक्ट. बट +2 या -2 नहीं है. ओके, सो आपको +2 या -2 लेके आना है. ठीक है, तो कैसे लेके आएंगे? इस -11 को स्प्लिट करके. ओके, -11 को स्प्लिट करके, तो -11 को स्प्लिट करना है. नाउ देयर आर टू वेज ऑफ डूइंग इट. आप +2 लाओ या -2 लाओ, दोनों से फॉर्मूला बनेगा. ठीक है, अगर यहाँ पे x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर +2 आया तो भी फॉर्मूला बनेगा, या x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर -2 आया तो भी फॉर्मूला बनेगा. ठीक है, तो हमें क्या करना है, हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? आप दोनों स्प्लिटिंग को दिमाग में सोचो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने प्लस के लिए सोचा. ठीक है, तो अगर आपने यहाँ पे प्लस की कैसे सोचोगे आप? यू विल थिंक इट विल बी 2 - 13. समझो आपने लिखा 2 - 13. 2 - 13 क्या होता है? 2 - 13 इज -11 ओनली. ठीक है, मीनिंग चेंज नहीं किया क्वेश्चन का, सिर्फ आपने क्या कर दिया इसको, डोंट कॉपी एनीवन, डोंट कॉपी, इसको आपने लिख दिया +2 - 13. ठीक है, +2 - 13. ओके, अब ये फॉर्मूला बन जाएगा आपका. लेकिन क्या ये किसी का स्क्वायर है? ये जो नंबर आपने लाया 2 के साथ, इज दिस स्क्वायर ऑफ एनी नंबर? नो. तो आपको ऐसा स्प्लिटिंग नहीं करना है जहाँ पे आपको स्क्वायर नहीं मिलेगा, बिकॉज आपको 2 स्क्वायर चाहिए फॉर्मूला बनाने के लिए. तो यहाँ पे स्क्वायर नहीं मिल रहा है, तो यू विल नॉट यूज दिस स्प्लिटिंग. तो आप +2 वाला स्प्लिटिंग मत करो. अब आप -2 के लिए ट्राई करो. ठीक है, यू ट्राई इट फॉर -2. तो -2 के लिए क्या स्प्लिटिंग होगा? इट विल बी -2 - 9. -2 - 9 -11 होता है. करेक्ट, -2 - 9. एंड 9 इज ऑल्सो अ स्क्वायर. 9 एक स्क्वायर भी है. तो यस, दिस इज द करेक्ट स्प्लिटिंग. so I will write -2 - 9. okay, so this term, this full term, ये है, ये किसका फॉर्मूला बन गया यहाँ पे? एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर -2. ये किसका फॉर्मूला बन जाता है? x - 1 अपॉन एक्स द होल स्क्वायर. तो इसकी जगह पे मैं लिखूंगा x - 1 अपॉन एक्स द होल स्क्वायर. एंड दिस 9 कैन बी रिटन एज 3 square. Now next step is very well known. I have already got the 2 brackets now. So once I get the 2 brackets, add both the brackets, subtract both the brackets. Okay, x - 1 upon x plus 3, x - 1 upon x minus 3. Okay, sum is done. See, sum is only of 2-3 steps, that's it. Only the first step is a bit tricky. Only the first step करते वक्त you have to be a little careful. Yes, Swayam, yes. It is necessary to have minus sign in between. Copy it fast, copy it fast. Swayam, your doubt is to add and subtract both brackets, do we necessarily have to minus sign? Yes. दो brackets के बीच में minus sign ही होना चाहिए, because तभी formula बनेगा a square minus b square. Okay, minus sign ही होना चाहिए. Then Manya, I'm not able to understand your doubt. If we can remove anything common, we have to. Common, yes, you can always remove common before solving the sum. Now here also cos x square plus 1 upon 4x square plus 1. So मुझे यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए, या तो +2 चाहिए या तो -2 चाहिए. ठीक है. So +2 आई गेस इजीली आ सकता है यहाँ पे. 1 को मैं क्या लिखूंगा, +2 -1. अब 1 का कोई टेंशन नहीं है. 1 कैन ऑलवेज बी रिटर्न एज 1 स्क्वायर. 1 कैन always be written as 1 square. Okay, so this term here, this entire term here will become the formula of, किसका formula बनेगा, ये कैसे पता चलेगा? Observe the numbers carefully. Yes man.
2x plus 1 upon 2x whole square.
हाँ, so यहाँ पे 4x square है, ये किसका square है, 2x का, और ये 1 upon 4x square है. So this is the square of 1 upon 2x. Okay, so 2x plus 1 upon 2x. ये 2 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं होती. This is gone inside the formula, the whole square. Minus 1 को I can always write it as 1 square. Now add both the brackets and subtract both the brackets. Correct this. Now here what I'll do is this 4x raised to 4 as it is rakho for the first step, and last 3 terms, see these 3 terms is nothing but a square. ये simply x square बन रहा है. Minus sign common ले लो. This will be x square plus 12x plus 36. कि अगर आपको क्लिक नहीं होता दिमाग में that it is a square, तो you can also split the middle term and check. मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट करके भी समझ जाएगा, 2 सेम ब्रैकेट्स मिल जाएंगे. सी मैं आपको दोनों तरीके से करके बताता हूँ. सी firstly this 4x raised to 4 can be written as 2x square the whole square minus ये किसका स्क्वायर है, मैंने कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करने बताया था आपको, दिस इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ विच नंबर. सो ये किसका स्क्वायर है, x स्क्वायर. This is the square of x. Then 36 is a square of 6. And which sign will come in between? Which sign will come in between? We will see it from here. ये middle term जो होता है 2ab वाला term, इसमें sign कौन सी है, plus. So here plus will come, the whole square. Okay. और अगर आप middle term split करके देखो, for those who want to check it using middle term, तो middle term split करेंगे तो 36 को कैसे करेंगे, 6 6 जा 36. Okay, so you will split it like this. Then you will take x common, you will take 6 common, and you will get 2 brackets which are same, x plus 6 x plus 6. So this is nothing but x plus 6 the whole square. ऐसे भी समझ सकते हो इसको. Okay, ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. Now just add both the brackets. plus x plus 6 and then subtract both the brackets. Now, you should also check the whether further it is possible to split the middle term. ये वापस एक इक्वेशन बन गया. देखो इक्वेशन बनने का मतलब क्या है, एक्स स्क्वायर है, एक्स है और एक कांस्टेंट टर्म है. This becomes the equation. So we should check whether middle term splitting is possible here. First copy this much. So here x square plus 6x plus 36. No, it was 12x. Someone wanted this step. It is like this. I've split it. Now take common here 6 and common here 6. You will get the answer. Now further we can solve this sum. This sum is not over yet. We can solve this sum further because middle term splitting is possible. Okay, we cannot keep it like this. If it is possible to split the middle term, then we have to solve it further. Okay, so this. Now this, I'll copy the steps again here. Now, how do I do that? See, 2 into 6. 2 into 6 ये होगा product. 2 into 6 क्या होता है? 12. So 12 is the product. Okay. ये possible है कि नहीं splitting? That you have to see first. तो इतना easy नहीं है. Not necessary that हमेशा splitting possible हो. ठीक है? तो मुझे चाहिए +12 as the product. +12 as the product. Okay. और बीच में क्या चाहिए? 1. Sum should be 1. So can anyone tell me what could be the product? What could be the factors?
So 3 and 4, but split is not possible first one.
not possible.
The second one we can.
Okay. Yes, Judge. What are you saying? What is the splitting?
So yes, sir, in the first bracket, splitting is not possible.
Students are sending me the answer as 4 and 4 12. That is correct. Okay. And I want +1, so you may think 4 and +4 or -3 ले लेंगे. ठीक है. +4 and -3 लेंगे तो 4 - 3 1 आ जाएगा. ठीक है. But 4 into -3, 4 into -3 तो -12 होता है. I want +12. I want +12. That means यहाँ पे splitting possible. In this bracket, the splitting is not possible. So this bracket will remain as it. Okay, we will try this bracket. So here in this second bracket, 2 into -6 will give me -12. Okay, और बीच में चाहिए -1x. बीच में चाहिए -1x. So here I can take 4 into 3. और -1 के लिए -4 plus 3. So this can be split. -4x plus 3x minus 6. If I was clear now. Hello. Is it okay now? Here I will have to take common in the second bracket. Actually, these brackets are not needed now. This will be my answer. Copy this. I think the earphones are not working. You may be able to listen to my voice now. Okay, so we'll do the last sum of this exercise. Last sum of this exercise. See, here in the first term and in the last term, we will take, I can see b plus c here and b plus c here, so I'll straight away take b plus c common. Okay, b plus c common. So what will remain in the first bracket here? B plus c chala gaya, तो क्या बच गया? A square minus here b plus c is gone, so what will remain? B plus c the whole square will remain. Correct? B plus c the whole square will remain. Now here, open this bracket b plus c. So b square plus 2bc plus c square. And then open the brackets. So minus sign will get multiplied with each term. Minus sign will get multiplied with each term. That's it. This is the answer. Last sum was the very easy one. Now we'll start with the exercise 5D. Okay, here, see, here the answer is given in a different form behind the textbook. Just a second, if you have copied this, just cancel the last two steps. Just cancel the last two steps. Because it is possible to take the square formula here. See, in this step, this a square can be written as a the whole square, and this b plus c the whole square, keep it as it is. Okay, just delete those two steps. Now a square minus b plus c the whole square. So अब ये फॉर्म में आ गया, a square minus b square के फॉर्म में आ गया, two brackets the whole square है. तो क्या करते हैं? Add both the brackets and subtract both the brackets. So it will be a plus b plus c and a minus b plus c. Okay, so this will be your answer. This should be your answer. Use this method only. See, we should follow the textbook. Even if the other method is right, but we should follow the textbook. So in the textbook, if they have used the formula, then we must also use it. So follow this method which I have written on the board. Okay, so I'll erase this. Now for the exercise 5D, you need to remember two formulas. I will give you the two formulas which you need to remember for exercise 5D. A cube plus B cube. Formula is for A cube plus B cube. मतलब अगर आपको first bracket cube plus second bracket cube आ रहा है, cube, A cube plus B cube. Okay. So what is the formula? The formula is A plus B a square, in the second bracket it is a square minus ab plus b square. See, a cube plus b cube का formula है. This is the formula for a cube plus b cube. So a plus b will come in the first bracket and in the second bracket it will be a square. अगर प्लस का फॉर्मूला है तो यहाँ पे माइनस ए बी आएगा. सी माइनस टू ए बी नहीं है. जनरली जो एक्सपांशन का फॉर्मूला होता है स्क्वायर का, देयर इज माइनस टू ए बी देयर. यहाँ पे माइनस टू ए बी नहीं है, यहाँ पे सिर्फ ए बी है. ठीक है, डोंट मेक दैट मिस्टेक. ए स्क्वायर माइनस ए बी प्लस बी स्क्वायर. ओके, एंड नाउ इफ यू हैव द फॉर्मूला फॉर ए क्यूब माइनस बी क्यूब, देन ये a प्लस बी का a माइनस बी बन जाएगा. ठीक है, एंड यहाँ पे जो माइनस था वो प्लस बन जाएगा. ओके, सो जो फर्स्ट और सेकंड साइन है सिर्फ ये फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट की साइन और ए बी की साइन, ओनली दैट चेंजेस विद द फॉर्मूला. So for the negative formula, the first bracket has a minus b and the second one will have plus. ab जो होगा that will be plus. Now in the first formula, a cube plus b cube, a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So copy these two formulas in your book. Very important for this exercise. So let's start. Let's start with the exercise. First question. It is a cube minus 27. A cube minus 27. So a cube is nothing but a the whole cube and 27 is 3 cube. ऐसे दो ब्रैकेट लिखना है, ठीक है, जिनके ऊपर क्यूब होना चाहिए. Now this resembles which formula? Which formula can I use here? The first one or the second one? First bracket cube minus second bracket cube. So second formula होगा यहाँ पे. You can see that a cube minus b cube है, ठीक है. So formula क्या होता है? Formula is a cube minus b cube becomes a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. This is what it becomes. Okay. So यहाँ पे a की जगह पे I have a तो है ही मेरे पास और b की जगह पे I have 3. So a minus 3, a square plus a into 3 plus 3 square. Understood? In the place of b I have written 3. So a minus 3, a square plus 3a plus 9. This is my answer. Yes, if it is possible to simplify further by using factorization formula, then you should do it. But here it is not possible. Here it is not possible. 1 can be written as, no, we want cube here. So 1 can be written as 1 cube, and 8a cube can be written as 2a the whole cube. 5e exercise is not there. 5e, only 5d is the last. Solve this. So here a cube minus b cube. So a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. This is the formula. So a minus b is 1 square is 1. 1 into 2a is 2a, and 2a square is 4a square. This will be my answer. See here, whatever the formula is here, ना ये रहा formula. इसमें a और b की जगह पे सिर्फ values put करनी है. That's it. Nothing else to be done. You have to just write the formula, and wherever there is a, put the first bracket. Wherever there is b, put the second bracket. That's it. (64 minus a cube b cube). This is also simple. 64 is the cube of which number? Yes. Now I'll ask questions. Yes, Yanch.
Sir, 4 cube.
4 cube. And a cube b cube?
AB the whole cube.
Okay, very good. So this is 4 cube minus AB the whole cube. Okay, 8 square नहीं लिखना है. 8 square लिखना है नहीं ना, ये cube कर रहे हैं ना हम solve. तो square लिख के क्या फायदा? Now again a cube minus b cube formula. So a cube minus b cube formula means a 4 minus a minus b a square plus a into b plus b square. So 4 minus ab 16 plus 4ab plus a square b square. Check your answer. Okay, so I hope everyone has copied. Let's do the fourth one. The fourth question. Yes, Dash.
So we can take a cube the whole cube.
No. A cube the whole cube will become a raised to 9.
Once
You have a raised to 6. Now you have a raised to 6 plus 27b cube. So a raised to 6 is a square the whole cube. And this is 3b the whole cube. Correct, Yani? Yes, correct. Correct others also who are giving me the answers. It should be like this. This is so first bracket cube plus second bracket cube. So that means this is the first formula now. So इसमें क्या होगा? Whatever is there inside the bracket. See carefully. A square और 3b. ये है bracket के अंदर की contents. तो they will get added. First क्या होता है? A plus b होता है. ठीक है? तो a square plus 3b हुआ. जो ब्रैकेट के अंदर के कंटेंट्स है दैट बिकम्स योर a एंड b. ठीक है? तो पहले वो दोनों ऐड होंगे. सो देन इट इज a स्क्वायर, मतलब a स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा माइनस ab मीन्स a स्क्वायर इंटू 3b प्लस 3b square. I hope you have understood. Any doubt here? You just raise your hand. I'll clear it. Do not worry. A6 है तो A6 को I have written as a square the whole cube and 27b cube is written as 3b the whole cube. That's it, Pushkar. Next steps are same. Yes, further next sum 3x raised to 7y minus 81x raised to 4y raised to 4. See, if it is possible to take the numbers common from the two terms, if it is possible to take the numbers common from the two terms, then you should take that common first. Okay, so यहाँ पे देखो 3 common है 81 and 3, so I can take 3 common. फिर variable में what can be taken common here? Variable में yes, who will answer? Mannat.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what can be taken common here?
Sir, I cannot hear you, sir.
What can be taken common here?
Sir, we can take 3 common.
3, yes. What else? Variables में x और y में.
Variables x and y, sir. Wait, sir. We can take x and y. Yes, sir. And inside it will come that 27.
मुझे बताओ पहले, यहाँ पे x raised to 7 है और यहाँ x raised to 4 है, तो क्या कॉमन आएगा? From x raised to 7 and x raised to 4 मैं क्या कॉमन ले सकता हूँ? कितने x कॉमन ले सकता हूँ?
So I can take 4x common and 3x inside bracket.
हाँ, so x raised to 4 कॉमन आएगा.
Yes, sir.
And y?
And y 1 and 3y y is 3.
Correct. So first I have taken 3 common, y common and x raised to 4 common. तो यहाँ पे x raised to 3 बचा. Minus
Yes.
यहाँ पे from this 87 3 is gone. So 27 will remain. And from here x raised to 4 gone और एक y चला गया तो y cube बचा. Correct. So I'll just copy that step here again. सब जो 3 raised to 3 into x raised to 4y, that term will remain as it is. उस term का कोई problem नहीं है अभी. Now we have to focus on the second bracket here, x cube minus 27y cube. So x cube minus 27y cube, I will write it like this. So this is a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube होता है तो पहले a minus b करते हैं, देन ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी मतलब x इंटू 3y, वो हो जाएगा 3xy प्लस बी स्क्वायर होता है ना, मतलब 3y का स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज 3y स्क्वायर? 9y स्क्वायर. Now this sum is very easy. Question number 6 is very easy. First is a cube and this is 3 upon a the whole cube, क्योंकि 27 होता है 3 cube और नीचे है a cube. Now just apply the formula a cube minus b cube. Simple answer आ जाएगा एकदम. Here see a into 3 upon a into 3 upon a होता है तो a and a will get cancelled, so only 3 will remain, plus 3 upon a square will be 9 upon a square. This is my answer.
Yes, sir. Hello.
What do you want, Rajveer?
Explain me the question again as I lost my connection.
This step.
Yes, sir.
3x raised to 4y. 3x raised to 4y common ले लिया है. After taking common, here you see x cube is nothing but x the whole cube and 27y cube is nothing but 3y the whole cube. And once you get this first bracket cube minus second bracket cube, then you will use the second formula.
Yes, sir.
formula से expand कर दिया.
Thank you.
A cube plus 0.064.
So 0.04 and written as 0.04 the whole cube.
Not 0.04. See, directly इसको थोड़ा सा directly solve मत करो, because there can be mistake here. What we should do here is a cube plus write this 0.064 as पॉइंट के बाद कितने नंबर्स है, डेसिमल के बाद 1 2 3 3 है, सो नीचे आ जाएगा 1 2 3 zeros. This is 64 upon 1000. Okay, 64 upon 1000. Then in the next step, you write a क्या है? This is a cube first. 64 किसका cube है? 4 का. And 1000 किसका cube है? 1000 is the cube of 10. So you will write 4 upon 10 the whole cube. ठीक है. अब देखो, आपको इसमें सोचना नहीं पड़ा कि 0.064 क्या 0.4 का क्यूब है या 0.04 का क्यूब है. इसमें मिस्टेक हो जाती है. इफ यू मेक इट अ फ्रैक्शन then it becomes easy. So यहाँ पे this is 4 upon 10. 4 upon 10 क्या होता है? 4 upon 10 is 0.4 the whole cube. Now you apply the formula a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is a plus b. See, if you know directly that 0.064 is 0.4 cube, then you can write it, no problem. But if you are unsure, then follow these steps. Next question, question number 8. Here I will first take a common. Now 343 is the cube of which number? 343 is a cube of 7. Yes. See, small answers you just send me in the chat. It will take time to unmute you. You give the answer, connection problem, so and so. Small answers, I want you to give it to me in the chat box so that I can immediately take your name. Yes, Kev, Heath, Prayu just given me the correct answer. Okay. Now, a cube minus b cube. Now apply the formula for a cube minus b cube.
Sir, if a minus 343 are in one bracket, why can't we take whole bracket raised to cube? They are in one bracket only, no?
You mean to say a cube minus 343 is in one bracket. So what should I do? I should take it like this.
Huh.
No, this is not possible. This is not correct in maths. You cannot take the cubes common. अगर इधर भी क्यूब है और इधर भी क्यूब है, तो you cannot write it as a minus 7 the whole cube.
No, because they were already in bracket. No, तो सिर्फ cube बाहर bracket के लिए लिया.
No, this is only possible. This is possible if there is a multiplication sign in between. अगर multiplication sign है, तो मैं इसको ऐसा लिख सकता हूँ.
Oh, okay.
ठीक है. स्क्वायर्स के लिए भी सेम रूल होता है. अगर a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर है, तो दिस कैन नॉट बी रिटन एज a माइनस b द होल स्क्वायर. ऐसा नहीं लिख सकते.
Okay.
स्क्वायर भी नहीं लिख सकते, क्यूब भी नहीं. ऐसे क्यूब को कॉमन नहीं ले सकते, लेकिन मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा तो ले सकते हैं, अदरवाइज नहीं ले सकते.
So, what if we cannot take a cube of any number from the following?
I can't hear you, Yashvi. Yes, be a little louder.
What if we cannot take cube of any number from the following? How will we solve this sentence?
Then see, you will have to do prime factorization. Prime factorization in fact is also not possible because you have to just use some trial and error method. Like for example, if you don't know 343 is a cube of which number, then you may try some numbers. Like for example, 5 cube is 125. This is greater than 5. Try 6. Multiply and see. So you will get that 6 is I guess it is 216. Then you try 7. Then 7 you will get it as 343. So a trial and error करना पड़ेगा. Yes, time will be wasted if you do this, but because they expect you to know the cubes from 1 to 20 and squares from 1 to 30. When you are in 9th standard, it is assumed that you know the squares and cubes. You know the cubes of 1 to 20 and squares of 1 to 30. That is expected from you. Next question is question number 9. X minus y cube minus 8x cube. So this is already a bracket. X minus y cube already bracket है. 8x cube को मैं लिख दूंगा 2x the whole cube. Now it has become दो brackets है और बीच में minus sign है. So this will become the formula of a cube minus b cube. Apply the formula here. Sorry, here the just here change the sign. In the negative one, this sign is positive. Now what is the formula? Formula is a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. ये formula है. So a की जगह पे what is my a here? A is my x minus y and my b is 2x. See carefully. A is x minus y and b is 2x. So a की जगह पे I will write x minus y minus b की जगह पे I will write 2x. Then a square means x minus y square. Again a is x minus y and b is 2x. Plus b square means 2x square. Now x minus y minus 2x. So x minus 2x बन जाता है minus x minus y. X minus y the whole square becomes x square minus 2xy plus y square. Then ये जो 2x है multiply this, open the brackets. So 2x x से multiply होगा तो you will get 2x square. 2x y से multiply होगा तो you will get minus 2xy. Do it carefully and 2x square will become 4x square. Now minus x minus y. Minus x minus y का minus sign I will take common. Then here अभी जो like terms है उनको same करना पड़ेगा. X square 2x square 4x square. X square plus 2x square plus 4x square will become 7x square. Okay. Then minus 2xy minus 2xy will become minus 4xy. And then last is y square.
So I didn't understand the second.
Step. What was the doubt here? See, first what I have done is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. This is the formula. So in the place of a, I have written x minus y. And in the place of b, we have written 2x. ये हमारा a क्या है? x minus y और b क्या है? 2x. So x minus y minus 2x. Then हमारा formula क्या कहता है? What does the formula say? A square होगा. A square मतलब x minus y का square. Then formula says AB. Correct? A into B. So A क्या है? X minus y और B क्या है? 2x. So x minus y or 2x. So ये 2x will, when I will open the bracket, the 2x will multiply with each term. So 2x into x, 2x square होगा. 2x into y, 2xy. This is how I got these two terms. And then last is b square. B square means 2x का square. Okay. Now, the 10th sum, I want you to do it for homework. 10th sum is very easy. I want you to do it for homework. 11th one is important. Star mark the 11th sum. Now see, I hope everyone has reached the 11th sum. Now see, a raised to 6 minus b raised to 6. Always remember, see, now sometimes there is a confusion. Some students, now if I ask the next step, some students say it should be a square the whole cube, or some may say it can be written as a cube the whole square. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. Correct? दोनों तरफ क्यूब है. Okay, both are cubes. So it can be written like this also, and it can be written like this also. Now what should we write? What should we write? Okay. See, इसके पहले एक sum था, similar type of sum, जहाँ पे raised to 6 आया था. I guess it was the 4th sum. Okay, ये ऐसा वाला sum था, 4th sum. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे तो clearly समझ में आ रहा था that इधर भी cube है, तो इधर भी cube ही आना चाहिए. So that is why we had written a square the whole cube. We had written that. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे there was no confusion here. But in this case here, यहाँ पे a raised to 6 है और दूसरा term भी a raised to 6 है. So both term can be written like this. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, and some may say that इसको ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay. Now which is correct? Always remember, जब आपके दोनों term raised to 6 है, when your both the terms are raised to 6, ठीक है, always first you should take the square outside. The square outside. पहले square outside बाहर आना चाहिए. ये नहीं चलेगा. ऐसा क्यों होता है? Because we are doing factorization. If you do this method, you will get 3 brackets in the end. If you do this method, you will get 4 brackets in the end. And 4 brackets मतलब ज़्यादा factorization हुआ है यहाँ पे. And this is more correct. Okay, that is why always remember whenever you have raised to 6 on both the terms, दोनों टर्म्स पे रेज टू 6 है, ठीक है, दोनों टर्म्स पे रेज टू 6 है, तो पहले आप स्क्वायर को बाहर लोगे एंड देन यू विल सॉल्व क्यूब. आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू सॉल्व. सी, ये होगा a क्यूब द होल स्क्वायर minus b cube the whole square. Now this is first bracket is whole square है और second bracket भी whole square है, तो ये कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज होगा यहाँ पे? Which formula will be used here? First bracket square minus second bracket square.
Sir, a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube.
हाँ, means this is first bracket square minus second bracket, मतलब both the brackets will get added and both the brackets will get subtracted, मतलब a plus b a minus b वाला फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा. ठीक है, now after you get this, now ये क्या बन गया? a cube plus b cube. तो अब आप a cube plus b cube का फॉर्मूला आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. in the place of a cube plus b cube you will write a plus b a square minus ab plus b square, and here a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. This is your answer. Okay, let's come to the next sum. Now see, here a cube minus 7a cube minus 8. Here what we have to do is, yes Swayam, yes. So यहाँ पे क्या करना है? Here अगर इसको आप ऑब्जर्व करो अच्छे से, तो ये तीन टर्म्स है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक है, ये in the form of equation. This is in the form of equation. I'll just write it properly. So can anyone tell me the middle term splitting here? What can be the middle term splitting here? -8 को स्प्लिट करना है फॉर -7. -8 कैसे मिलेगा? -8 मिलेगा 8 1 जा 8, and I want -7 as the sum. -7 as the sum. Correct, Yani, not correct.
Sir, 8 and -1.
No, you want -7. So -8 और +1 होगा. करेक्ट, ये आप परिजनम करेक्ट. So a raised to 6 minus 8a cube plus 1a cube minus 8. Now take common. So यहाँ पे क्या कॉमन आ सकता है? यहाँ पे a cube कॉमन आएगा. So what will remain? See, ये a raised to 6 है ना? a raised to 6 is nothing but a cube into a cube, because according to exponents the powers get added. a cube into a cube क्या होता है? a raised to 3 plus 3, that is a raised to 6 होता है. Okay, so a raised to 6 क्या होता है? a cube into a cube होता है. Okay, so एक a cube कॉमन आ गया. -8, and here you can, here nothing is common, so 1. Now, both these brackets are in the form of formulas. This first one is a cube minus 2 cube. ये इसका formula है. And the second is a cube plus 1 cube. दोनों में formula apply हो रहा है. तो further formula apply करो and you will get 4 brackets as your answer. Do it fast, do it fast. So minus formula a minus 2 a square plus a into 2 is 2a plus b square, मतलब 2 का square, that is 4. Then a plus 1 a square, it should be minus a plus 1. This should be the answer. Formulas हमेशा सामने रखो. You should know the formulas. A minus b a square plus ab plus b square. This is for a cube minus b cube. Okay, first we have to complete the exercise. Only 3-4 sums are left. Question number 13. How to solve this sum? Here, see the first two terms. First term किसका cube है? This is the cube of a. Second term is the cube of 3b. बाकी दो terms, can anything taken common here? Can I take anything common here? 2a square b minus 6ab square. So 2 तो common दिख रहा है मुझे, 2. And यहाँ से a आ सकता है और यहाँ से b आ सकता है. 1a and 1b can be taken common. Correct, correct Rishabh, correct guys. So 2ab, so in the first bracket a will remain, in the second bracket 3b will remain. Okay, then I will open this. I will apply the formula here. तो ये होगा a minus 3b, ठीक है, a square plus a into 3b plus 3b square plus second term, keep it as it is. Okay, so a minus 3b a square plus 3ab plus 9b square plus 2ab a minus 3b. After getting this, pay attention, after getting this, ये मेरा first term है and this is my second term. So is there anything common between the first term and the second term? Is there anything common here in the first and the second term? Yes, a minus 3b, a minus 3b. ये पूरा bracket same है, a minus 3b. Correct, Pari. Correct. Darsh is raising your hand. Correct. ये कॉमन आ जाएगा, यहाँ से ये कॉमन गया तो ये पूरा ब्रैकेट बच गया. कौन सा? a square plus 3ab plus 9b square. Then this plus sign is there. अब यहाँ से ये ब्रैकेट गया तो क्या बच गया? 2ab बच गया. So my last step is a square plus 3ab plus 2ab will become plus 5ab plus 9b square. See, a minus 3b is not cancelled. मैंने ये कट किया था so that because to show you that from the first term a minus b is taken common, मतलब उसे बाहर ले लिया है, इसलिए मैंने उसे कट किया था. It is not cancelled. I have just taken common a minus b. इनको common लेके यहाँ पे लिख दिया. Now this sum is also same. Okay, so first step I will show you. 8a cube can be written as 2a the whole cube and b cube is b the whole cube. Minus, here I can take 2x as common. So I will get 2a minus b in the bracket. This plus became minus here because I have taken the minus sign common. Now again 2a the whole cube minus b cube. So इसका 2a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. So ये है मेरा फर्स्ट टर्म. प्लस साइन 2x 2a minus b. Again from the first term and the second term, you can see grouping is the same. Which bracket can come common? A minus 2b minus 2a minus b, 2a minus b can come common. So I will take 2a minus b common. So whatever is remaining here, this term is remaining. So ये term as it is आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. And यहाँ पे this is remaining 2x. So plus 2x. That is the answer. This is a small sum. Yeah, this sign here is minus only. 2x is minus only here. This 2x will be minus only. The next time, what am I written? 2x टर्म बाकी है ना यहाँ पे. 2a minus b जाने के बाद 2x बाकी. Okay. 1 हम कब लिखते हैं? जब कुछ भी बाकी नहीं रहता, then we write 1. But 2x is remaining here. Now in the question number 15, I already have a minus b. For second, here you take minus sign common. Minus sign common ले लो. So you will have a cube minus b cube. Just ऐसे दो brackets बनाओ. Then the sum will become very easy. So in the second bracket will formula will be applied. ये बन जाएगा a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. I have expanded this bracket here. Okay. Now, from this two brackets, from these two brackets here, what can be taken from these two terms here? What can be taken common? ये एक term है और ये एक term है. So from these two terms, I can take a minus b common. Okay, a minus b will come common. अब ये फर्स्ट टर्म में से जो ये फर्स्ट टर्म यहाँ पे मैंने मार्क किया इसमें से a माइनस बी गया. a माइनस बी जाने के बाद कुछ भी नहीं बच रहा है यहाँ पे इन दिस फर्स्ट टर्म. देयर इज नथिंग लेफ्ट हियर इन दिस फर्स्ट टर्म. ओके, कुछ नहीं बचेगा मींस 1 बचता है. माइनस फ्रॉम दिस सेकंड टर्म, ये जो सेकंड टर्म है इसमें से a माइनस बी गया तो क्या बच रहा है? a स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी प्लस बी स्क्वायर. दिस एंटायर टर्म इज रिमेनिंग. Okay, so 1 minus, open this bracket, all the signs will change. This will be your answer. Done, all of you? Question number 16. 17 will be homework for you. Question number 17 will be homework. We'll do the 16th one. Seventeenth, you write near the question that first you have to take common and then apply cube formula. In the question number 16, you will take common first. So यहाँ पे 2 common आ जाएगा. X cube plus 27y cube आएगा. Minus here I can take 4 common. So x minus 3y. Taking common is very important. So here first in the first bracket ये formula बनेगा x cube plus 3y cube. Correct. The second term will remain as it is. Here there is a formula, so apply the formula. A cube plus b cube क्या होता है? A plus b. अच्छा here see in the second bracket minus sign मैंने common ले लिया है -4, so the second sign becomes plus. Remember that. ये sign जो माइनस है वो प्लस हो गई. क्यों प्लस हो गई? बिकॉज आई हैव टेकन द माइनस साइन कॉमन. सो ए क्यू प्लस बी क्यू ए प्लस बी ए स्क्वायर माइनस ए बी प्लस बी स्क्वायर. minus 4x plus 3y. Now, from this first term and from this second term, I can take which bracket common here? X plus 3y, x plus 3y is same. So that will come common. अब फर्स्ट टर्म में से x plus 3y गया तो क्या बचा 2 बचा एंड ये सेकंड वाला जो पूरा ब्रैकेट है दैट विल रिमेन. एंड देन यहाँ पे सेकंड वाले टर्म में -4 इज रिमेनिंग, सो -4 विल आल्सो कम हियर. देन लास्ट स्टेप विल बी जस्ट ये 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं अंदर. सो 2x स्क्वायर minus 6xy plus 18y square minus 4. 4 से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं होगा बिकॉज ब्रैकेट एंड्स हियर. इतना ही ब्रैकेट था. दिस विल बी योर फाइनल आंसर. Okay, so this is done. Now the last two questions. I hope everyone has copied this. Last two questions are very easy. They will be done in 2 minutes. See, basically these questions, question number 18, they never come in exam because this is show that. No? So this type of questions never come in exam. Still, for your understanding, what is the question? 13 cube minus 5 cube. Show that 13 cube minus 5 cube is divisible by 8. हमें ये शो करना है, ठीक है, that it is divisible by 8. तो आपको क्यूब फाइंड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. See, 13 cube minus 5 cube. Consider this as a cube minus b cube. तो a cube minus b cube क्या होता है? What is a cube minus b cube? It is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Correct? So this 13 cube minus 5 cube can be written as 13 minus 5, 13 square plus 13 into 5 plus 5 square. Okay. And आगे solve नहीं करना है ज़्यादा. What is 13 minus 5? 13 minus 5 is 8. बाकी bracket just keep it as it is. Don't multiply. We don't need to multiply. So I got 8 into 13 square plus 13 into 5. और हमें चेक क्या करना था that it is divisible by 8. तो अगर मैं इसको 8 से डिवाइड करूंगा तो it will be divisible. Yes, this 8 and this 8 will cancel. तो ये हो गया ना डिवाइड 8 से. This is divisible by 8. That is what you had to show here. So just copy this much and write that yes, it is divisible by 8. Yes, it is divisible by 8. I hope everyone has understood. The second sub question, you will do it for homework. same like this. Copy this first, then I'll do the question number 19th, the last one. Exercise 5E. Today we have completed 5D. I hope everyone has copied. Okay. Let's come to the last question. Question number 19. Question थोड़ा बड़ा है, but एकदम simple है. Okay. See, 5.67 into 5.67 into 5.67 ऐसा लिखा है क्वेश्चन में. ठीक है. Question is very big. Then there is 4.33 into 4.33 into 4.33. Okay. And the denominator you have 5.67 into 5.67 minus 5.67 into 4.33 plus 4.33 into 4.33. This is the question. Let's understand the question. यहाँ पे 5.67 तीन बार लिखा है. So I can write it as 5.67 cube. And 4.33 is also written 3 times. That can be written as 4.33 cube. और बीच में साइन क्या है? प्लस अपॉन 5.67 दो बार लिखा है. So this can be written as 5.67 the whole square minus 5.67 into 4.33 plus 4.33 is written twice. So I will write 4.33 the whole square. सिर्फ क्वेश्चन कॉपी किया मैंने और जहां पे मल्टीपल टाइम्स टर्म्स लिखा था उसको मैंने क्यूब और स्क्वायर में लिख दिया है. ठीक है. आई हैव जस्ट मेड इट क्यूब्स एंड स्क्वायर्स. ओके. नाउ व्हाट इज a cube plus b cube? a cube plus b cube. a cube plus b cube क्या होता है? a plus b then a square minus ab plus b square. Correct. ये ऐसा होता है. Numerator became like this and copy the denominator as it is. Now, can you observe something here after this step? After this step, can anyone tell me what can be done? Any doubts till this step? Anyone, any doubts? Normal expansion किया है हमने, nothing is done. ठीक है. अब देखो carefully. If you observe carefully here, this second bracket in the numerator, क्या है ये second bracket? This second bracket is 5.67 square minus 5.67 into 4.33 plus 4.33 square. और denominator में क्या है? 5.67 square minus 5.67 into 4.33 plus 4.33 square. मतलब ये पूरा bracket और ये denominator पूरा, this full denominator and this full second bracket is same. ये पूरा का पूरा same है. And this entire bracket is same means this full will get cancelled. ये पूरा cancel हो जाएगा. And what we will have remaining in the end is 5.67 plus 4.33 जो बन जाता है 10. 10.00 10.00 मतलब उसको आप 10 ही लिखो. Okay, with this we have completed the exercise 5D also. That's it for today.